Welcome back to English Corner for 10th grade. Did you know that the most played video game in 2019 was Crossfire? Based on player counts, Crossfire had more than 1 billion players all around the world. That's a lot of people, right? And for you, what is your favorite video game? Today, we're going to learn how to describe our favorite video games and how to use them. For this, we're going to need the following materials.
Number 1. Copybook or sheet of paper. In this, you will need to write the contents mentioned in this video. Number 2. Your favorite video game. It can be from your smartphone or your computer.
Before we start, remember that you can always pause the video, go back or go forward as much as you need so you can comprehend everything that is mentioned in this video. Now that we have all the materials that we need for this challenge, we are ready to start. For today's challenge, we are going to use some key concepts that are used when describing video games. Do you recognize words such as download, share, or click? Let's see some of the key concepts that we need to describe our favorite video games.
In this challenge, the most important thing is to understand the meaning of words that are commonly used when talking about video games and internet. Let's see these words. Number 1. Download. Download means to copy computer programs, music, or information electronically, usually from the internet or from a larger computer. Number 2. Upload. Upload means to copy computer information, usually from a small computer, to the internet. Number 3. Browser. Browser means a computer program that allows you to look at pages on the internet. For example, Chrome, Mozilla, Internet Explorer, etc. Number 4. Search. Search means to use a computer to find information, especially on the internet. Number 5. URL. URL is a short for Uniform Resource Locator, a standard way of specifying the address of a location, typically a web page on the internet. For example, google.com. Number 6. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a system for connecting electronic equipment such as computers and electronic organizers to the internet without using wires. Number 7. Mobile data is the internet connection, usually personal for each mobile phone. It goes from 1G to 5G. Number 8. Username. Username is a name or other word that you sometimes need to type in along with a password before you are allowed to use a computer or a website. Number 9. Email. Email is a way of sending messages electronically from one computer to another. Number 10. Log in and log out. Log in means to carry out the actions needed to start using a computer system. Log out means to stop a computer being connected to a computer system, usually to stop working. Number 11. Share. Share means to have or use something at the same time as someone else. Number 12. Save. Save means to keep data in the computer. Number 13. Drag. Drag means to move something somewhere on a computer screen using a mouse. Number 14. Click. Click means to push part of a computer mouse, a small computer control, to make the computer do something. And number 15. Scroll. Scroll means to move text or an image on a computer screen so that you can look at the part that you want.
Did you recognize some of these words from your favorite game or other video games that you play? Now it's time to see the challenge. The challenge is to describe your favorite video game. For this, you will need to complete the following chart.
Name of the game. Where do you play this game? Where can you obtain the game? Does it use internet connection? Does it require information like email or phone number? How do you use the game? Name the steps using words presented in this video. Include the game logo or a picture. You can draw the logo if you don't want to print the picture. Did you understand the challenge? Let's see an example. Name of the game, Matchington Mansion. Where do you play the game? My smartphone. Where can you obtain the game? In Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS. Does it use internet connection? Yes. Data or Wi-Fi? Does it require information like email or phone number? No, it does not require an email or phone number. How do you use the game? 1. Search for the game in Play Store or App Store. Number 2. Download the game. Number 3. Open the game. Number 4, create a username. Number 5, start playing. Number 6, connect to data or Wi-Fi to save your progress. And number 7, share your progress in social media.
After you have finished completing the chart with information of your favorite game, you will need to follow these steps. Number 1, you will need to send a picture of your chart to my email at jballesteros@sccs.cl or to my Instagram at profejavi.sc. Number 2, you must include your name and class. Also remember that it's important to complete the log entry for this challenge. You can find it here, or you can ask for it at my email or my Instagram. We have reached the end of the video, but don't worry, if you have any doubts or questions, you can always send them to my email or my Instagram. Last but not least, remember to follow our high school's Instagram at Tercer Ciclo SC and to subscribe to our YouTube channel at YouTube SC Canal. I believe in your capacities, so should you. I'll be looking forward to your challenges. See you next time.